Hi, welcome to Stage 10. In this video, I'll introduce you to the tools and apps that make up the Stage 10 platform. You'll learn to create live and recorded shows with inputs like camera feeds, video assets, and remote participants. You'll also learn how to enhance your shows with the interactive features such as polling and chat, and monetization features such as live shopping and tipping. We'll see the stage where viewers come to watch or rewatch your shows, and we'll learn how to multi-stream so that you can go live to many places at once, such as social networks or RTMP outputs. After our show ends, we'll explore the past streams page to learn how to publish an interactive replay or dig into analytics. Let's get started. When you log into Stage 10, you are on the dashboard. From here, you can navigate to all the tools and apps in Stage 10, access the Help Center, and stay up to date with the latest features and announcements. There are a ton of cool things here to explore, and we're going to start by looking at the studio. To get to the studio, we can either choose it from the list of apps on the left, or say, create a show. Next, we're going to create a project. I'm going to choose one of the project templates. Today, I'm going to choose live stream to an audience. We're going to talk about the monetization features of Stage 10 shortly, so for now, I'm going to skip. By default, you'll have one destination available, which is your Stage 10 interactive player. In other words, you can go live to your stage. If you wish, you can also embed this interactive player on other websites. If you do so, when you go live on Stage 10, the player you've embedded on those websites will show your live stream too. If you wish, you can add more destinations. This allows you to go live to all of them at once. To do this, click Manage Destinations. Select the platform or destination type that you want to add, then click Connect. Follow the prompts to authorize access to this account, then return to your list of destinations. Here you can enable as many destinations are included in your plan level. Then click Save to continue. I'm going to enter a title for my show. Let's say it's Andrew's Big Show. And if I want to, I could enter a description. I'm going to say Next. I'm shown a quick project summary, and now I'm going to open my project. This is the studio. This is where you'll create your show. To create your show, you're going to add feeds and assets to the studio. You can use these to build scenes. Let's look at how to do this. First, I'm going to add a camera feed. I'll click the camera button and choose a webcam. I have two cameras, so I'll choose this other one. I'll say done. Next, I'm going to select some assets. I'm going to click plus and choose from a local file. Then I'll navigate to the assets I have on my computer and choose the ones that I want to import. I can also choose to add GIFs from Giphy. To build a scene, simply click the element that you want to include. The studio will automatically select a layout for the elements that you've included. When you're ready to start your show, confirm that you've got the right destinations selected, and then click Go Live. The destinations card will now update to confirm the live status of each of these destinations. To view your live stream on your stage, you can click this link. Just remember that when you're live, you'll want to make sure that you leave your studio tab uncovered so that your computer doesn't throttle its resources and affect your stream quality. You can adjust the elements that are in your scene at any time. Simply click them to add them to the scene. If you want control over the way the studio is laying out your scene, you can do so by clicking the solo button to show only a single feed, or the pin button to emphasize that feed. Your viewers see these changes immediately as you make them. If you want even more control over the layout, you can do so using the overlay feature. Click the overlay button, and then choose a custom size and location for this element. These changes are not visible to your viewers until you click the Add to Scene button. This allows you to play with the custom overlay to get it just how you like it. To remove an element from the scene, you can click on the button over top of that element, or you can deselect it from the library on the left. So far, we've looked at how to use image and video assets and a local camera feed. You can also share a screen or window from your computer, or invite a participant to join you in your stream from another location. Click the Invite Participant button, then copy and send this link to whoever you'd like to join your stream. They will appear in your list of feeds as another camera. If you want to bring in a feed from a mobile device that you have with you, you can also scan the QR code. This will open the Stage 10 app on that device, and then you'll see that device's feed appear in your list of feeds. When your audience chats on your stage, the messages will appear here in the audience chat section. Click the Add Overlay button to bring a comment right into your show. This creates a really great interactive experience. You can also click on a different message to change which comment is featured. If you need to, you can also enable the moderator tools. This will let you delete a message or ban a user from chat altogether. If you have a private message that you need to send to one of the other participants, you can use the backstage chat to do that. Viewers won't see these messages. Only the other participants will. Another way to interact with your audience is through polling. To run a poll, create a question and a set of answers. You can choose whether viewers should be able to vote unlimited times or just once. Then say create, then start your poll. Your viewers will be prompted to participate by sending in their answers. To view the results as they come in, click the drop-down arrow, and when you're done, click stop to hide the poll. A quick note about audio. Unless you mute it or the participant mutes themselves, the audio from all of your feeds is always live to your audience, even if that feed is not currently in your scene. This means that you can add or remove feeds from your scene without worrying about cutting off the speaker. But don't forget to mute yourself if you don't want your audio to be public. When you've finished your show, simply click the Stop Live button. Your stream will end. Next, let's look at the monetization features that are available with Stage 10. These enable you to earn money from your shows. We could have set this up while we were setting up our project, or we can set it up from here in the studio by clicking Connect. The monetization options that are available to you depend on whether you have your own store or not. If you have your own store, click Connect to Store. Enter the store name, which is the subdomain that appears before myshopify.com in your store's URL, and click Connect to Shopify. Install the sales channel onto your Shopify store, and select the products that you want to sell in today's show. You can give this grouping a name so that you can save this for later. And if you want to, you can include a discount code as a special promotion for viewers watching your live show. You can choose any discount code that you've configured in your Shopify store. It will be applied automatically to your viewers' carts when they place orders. Click Save and Open Project to return to the studio, where you'll see that your products have now been selected. If you don't have your own Shopify store, there are still 2 other monetization options that you can use with Stage 10. To access them, we need to connect a Shopify Collabs account. This will enable you to receive your payouts through the Shopify Collabs network. If you don't already have a Collabs account, don't worry, you can create one for free. Let's click Connect a Collabs account. Enter your account information, then click Create. Next, please take a minute to answer these questions from Stage 10. This helps us understand who you are and how we can best build Stage 10 to suit your needs. In this example, let's say that I'm a health and wellness influencer and that my main goal is to monetize my content. I heard about Stage 10 from Andrew's tutorial video. I'll click Next. The Collabs network requires you to attach at least one social account, so do that here. Then submit your application. Next, check your email. You'll find a message from Stage 10. Clicking this link completes the Collabs connection process so that you can receive your payouts. We already have the studio open, so we can close this tab and return to where we were before. You'll see that Collabs has been connected with the account that I chose, and now I can select products from the Stage 10 product catalog. You can choose up to 100 products at a time that you think will suit your audience. When viewers purchase products from the product catalog, you will earn a commission on those sales. You can filter by name or by brand. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. The third way to monetize your Stage 10 streams is with tipping. Currently, the way you do this is by selecting the tipping product. I'm going to edit my product selection and search for Tip this creator. When viewers purchase this product, the proceeds will be sent to you. Click Save to update your product selection. When you go live, these products will now be shoppable on your stage. Viewers can click the shopping button to view the products that you have for sale, including your tip. Now that our show is over, let's return to the dashboard. If we navigate to past streams, we'll see the recordings of the shows that we just made. We can click View Details to edit the details of these recordings, download a copy of the video, view the stream analytics, or generate and then publish an interactive replay of this stream onto our stage. To watch this replay on a standalone page, you can click the Open Player button. Or, if you want to find it on your stage, click on Stage Settings, and then View Your Stage. This opens your stage as all of your viewers will see it. And here we can see that my interactive replay has been published. When viewers watch this replay, they can shop from the products that were available during the live stream and rewatch chat as it happened live. In this video, we learned all the basics of Stage 10 and introduced lots of features. Now go explore and try going live for yourself. There's so much more you can do, and we're building new features all the time. If you have suggestions or feedback, or if you need a hand, please just reach out to us. Thanks for using Stage 10. Stream on!